Notice on one of the interior walls of this house, where this chimney comes down, there's some bubbling of the paint. And that would have to be some type of moisture coming from a roof leak. A lot of times it happens where this flashing is, and I can see there's a gap. Might be some gaps here where these shingles come in. I'm gonna go ahead and use some silicone. Anywhere I see air, obviously water can go through. I'm gonna go ahead and do these areas here, along there, the whole edge of that flashing. And I'll go ahead and hit some of these cracks here. This is old. I remember putting this caulk on back in 2005, so it's due for some new. There's some spots there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do all this with silicone, and that should take care of it. I put this top on in 2005 also. Just a piece of plywood, I guess 3/4 inch. And a couple years ago, I put a bunch of silicone roofing on top, and it's held pretty well. There's no way to tell if the water is coming in one spot or multiple spots, but it doesn't hurt to do as much as you can. You have to think like water. If I were water, how would I enter this roof?